everyone, Priti here again. I'm an energy practitioner, and in my last live, I went on anxiety, what you choose, medication or meditation. So, in this live, I'm going to talk about when you do the meditation, how you can use so it will help you to lift that anxiety pattern. Okay, so the meditation what I'm talking today is not something that some yogis or some monk only can do. This is like a very, very practical way we all can develop that skill. Okay, so remember, anxiety is a learned behavior. Over time, your mind start learning that pattern, and now it is embedded into your body. So this meditation which I'm going to share with you is nothing but a skill, and once you do and you do enough time, so it becomes so natural and normal for your body to feel that way, then this new behavior will help you to let go the old behavior, the anxiety or any negative emotional behavior. Okay, so in this meditation, what you want to do is to three things. You have to be focused, you have to be present, and you have to let your body grab this new emotion, so slowly it will embedded into your body, and then the body start giving the response to that new emotional feeling. Okay, so now let's understand that when somebody is anxious, or somebody is depressed, or somebody is having an anger issue, what they always do is that it is an overstimulating response in the body, and a smallest trigger immediately linked to that whole behavior. So for instance, somebody is anxious, always feeling that anxiousness, then any smallest thing will link to the whole behavior. So what we are trying to do is now knowingly that this behavior is a problematic in the body. So instead of changing the thoughts, because if you say like, oh no, from tomorrow, or maybe from right now, I don't want to be anxious, or I don't want to be feel that anxiety, and then you start feeling that, oh, I'm happy, or you can tell your mind that, oh, I am happy, I'm healthy, but your body say like, no, you are not, because this your body start giving you the feeling of anxiety, and that is real, right? So then just the thought won't help you. So when you start doing this meditation, how you do is, when you start your day, very first thing, what you do is start your day, very first thing is to remind yourself to feel good about something. You can start your day like, wow, this is a great day. I'm going to do such and such things, some good things. I am feeling so alive. I am feeling happy. I am grateful. So what you are feeling that moment, beginning of the day, your meditation start. Even though you don't have to sit, or you don't have to go in a quiet place. This is like a 24/7 you can do. You start reminding yourself. So start with this thing, that giving something to feel grateful, giving something to feel happy in the first moment of the day. And then do 10 minutes regular meditation, at least one time every day. And in this 10 minutes, you know you are not running away from your problem. You already know that you have this problem. And you are not fantasizing anything which is not real for you. Because when you say like, wow, when you are sitting in the meditation, and then in many meditation, you hear or people are saying that, oh, you are going on the island, you are imagining some forest, or you are going into some nice visual imaginary forest or something, but your mind and your body both are screaming that I am not feeling good. Then how come I'm going to visualize these beautiful things? So here, what I am suggesting you to do the meditation is not running away from your problem. But when you sit into that meditation, you have a clear insight that, okay, I have the anxiety problem and I know very well. Okay, I have that depression problem and I know very well. And having this knowledge, when you sit with the intention, what will happen? You are not fighting against anything because you already accept. And now you are telling that, okay, this is there, but I want to do this meditation, and now I'm going to sit and my mind has to listen to me. So your mind will not scream at you because you first agree that, yeah, I know you have problem, but now also you have to listen. Okay, so what you do, you sit for 10 minutes, and first thing you close your eyes, find a quiet place. If you like, you can listen with the music, or you can simply allow yourself to sit for 10 minutes where nobody can come and disturb you. This is your time. You are training your mind. Okay, so close your eyes, and when you close your eyes, what happens there, you are closing all the distractions, all the mind game, all the devices for the mind to run away. And what I am saying here, devices, is no phone is available for you, no Facebook, no WhatsApp, no talking, no reading. So what happened? Your mind has to face whatever fear, whatever anxiety, whatever depression. And this moment you are the boss, because the mind will take that, okay, this person is ready to face, and all these negative things and all the negative emotion is nothing but our own projection most of the time. So the beginning, it feels like, wow, it's a big step, and it is, but eventually you are so relaxed to start this meditation. So what the first thing is, like, sit there, close your eyes, allow yourself to feel that uncomfortable feeling in that place. And you might have that feeling of restlessness, you might have that feeling of anxiousness. Let it be there. Don't give any impulse to run away, to do something, to find something to cling on that. No. Sit there, close your eyes, and start relaxing your body. give inputs, try to talk yourself, and try to relax your body by simply breathing in and out, in and out. And after a few times, when you start feeling a little bit more relaxed, now you are start talking to yourself. And how you do that is bring the joyful, happy memory there. And we all have some happy, some beautiful memory always. So it is not difficult to find one or more than one memory and go to that memory, that happy memory. What happened that time? What other people are there? How you feel that time? And just play the whole thing in your mind again as if you are watching the movie. And when you are engaging with this happy memory, now your mind is also joining there. And slowly, what will happen that time is your body start feeling happy without reason, right? Because your mind and your body become one. Because you are remembering the happy moments and slowly body take over. And when bodies take over, meaning your unconscious mind joined with you, that's the moment you start giving the suggestion. Because this is the time you can tell that, yes, this is my life. I'm going to be happy from now on. I am the happy person from now on. I know how the happiness is coming in my life. And start giving the suggestion about the happy life, happiness, and this new behavior. So your body start accepting this new feeling about happiness. And it feels that this is the one I'm living with. So every day, not just one day. If you just do one day, it feels very good. Even though you just do for one day, it feels very good. But remember, anxiety is a habit. So you have to make a new habit to change that old habit. So my recommendation is here, at least do 100 days. It seems like a lot, right? It is not. If you think how many years you probably are suffering from that anxiety, and if you count the days, how many days? And if somebody says that 100 days can help or 100 days can remove, are you not going to do? Okay, I think you are going to do. So start doing this 10 minutes meditation and share your view, comment with me. And if you like, please subscribe my channel here. And I will come on Saturday. Every 4 days I'm planning to do. So come Saturday and I will go with the another tips on meditation. So stay tuned. We'll meet you again. Until then, bye bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.